For the longest time, we've been buying tempered glass off eBay in bulk. We buy them in 200, 300 pieces, and we've used them for many years without any issues. Now, tempered glass that we buy off eBay looks something like this. You're not going to be able to tell the difference on camera. It looks good. Everything is fine. The thing is, many times when we remove the protective wrap to install the glass on the phone, the glass itself has dust on it. This forces us to remove the glass again, get a dust sticker, take the glass out, dust the glass, the phone, and put it back on. And the other thing is, when we install the glass on the phone, many times the glass is not aligned perfectly. So you see a bigger gap on the right than on the side. So we are forced to take it out again, align it, and then back down again. Align it, back down again. Anytime you peel the glass off more than 1 or 2 times off the phone, it's game over for the glass. We have to change it. So for the longest time, I've been looking for a way to easily install tempered glass without having to buy machines or anything like this. I came across these frames and I thought, great, we can buy just the frames and then we can use the tempered glass that we are buying off eBay to install it on the phone. But that did not work out because the tempered glass cutout for the ones that we buy on eBay are actually smaller than the frame. The ones that we buy off eBay, when we install it on the phone, you still have a gap on the edges. So it's not a full-size glass. So then we were forced to buy the glass, the full-size glass that would fit the frame. And I can tell you, it's been an awesome experience. I never thought that the tempered glass would make that much of a difference. Tempered glass is tempered glass, but I was wrong. The ones that we are currently selling is a 0.3 millimeter 9H hardness. It has a special coat on it for anti-glare and to reduce fingerprints. And it's known to be the highest quality tempered glass in the market. I mean, you can feel it when you compare both tempered glass by hand. You can tell the difference. The tempered glass that we are selling has a wrap on the front and back. This one, it has it on the back, which is not a big deal because the back is the one that goes on the phone and the front we can always clean, but this one comes protected on both sides. And the company who makes the tempered glass, they take extra care to ensure that there's no dust already stuck on the glass. And this is what I face with the ones that I buy off eBay. So I want to go over this quick and show you how it installs on the phone. So the first thing I want to do is clean the screen. And we clean it with a microfiber cloth and this solution here. Okay. Now it's time to install the tempered glass. What we need to do is get the frame for the 6S Plus, and the frames are actually labeled. Like this one here. It's labeled for XS Max, 11 Pro Max. This one here is labeled for XS, 11 Pro. 6 Plus, 6S Plus, 7 Plus, 8 Plus. So we're going to use this one here. And let me go over the rest. 6, 6S, 7, 8. This one is XR and 11. And this one is for iPhone 5 models. And on the frame itself, there's a label that says top. So this one goes on top where the front-facing camera is. So as you can see, the frame goes on top of the phone. Okay, so we peel the white wrap of the glass like this. And we just put it like this. It will align itself. I mean, look at this. It will align itself. I do not need to align it. Okay, all we need to do is just press it down. Okay, and look at this. The phone keeps coming on. I want a black screen. And it's done. Look. It's spread throughout the whole glass. And the job is done. Now all we have to do is just press it on the edges. And when I take the phone off the frame, there's a wrap on the screen so the customer can take the wrap off. They will see that we installed a tempered glass for them and it looks professional. Okay. This is how it looks with the wrap. Let me take it off. It's perfect in every way. Look at the edges. Look at this edge and look at this edge. Now let's say in the case you do have dust under the glass, because dust is in the air and you did get dust under the screen. Then what you can do is use a dust absorber like this one here. You can just remove the glass like this, and now we're gonna dust absorb the back of the glass. I'm just doing it so I can show you how it's done. This is not needed unless there was dust initially on your phone which got stuck to the glass. Okay, and everything's perfect. Take it off and very nice, super clean, and customer is gonna be very happy with the job. You cannot find a better tempered glass in the market like this one here. Very high quality, and you can tell when you put the tempered glass on, you can tell how high quality the glass is. What I like about it is the coat that they put on the tempered glass to reduce fingerprints and glare. Awesome, awesome. So what we did for the customer today is we changed her screen, iPhone 6s Plus. We added a tempered glass. We changed the camera, the front-facing camera, it's not focusing, and she bought a case. Right here. One thing about this tempered glass that you have to know, this is soft tempered glass, which means when the tempered glass is hard, it breaks quick. You have a hard surface, something drops on the glass, it cracks and breaks quick. But this one has Flux. So it's very less likely for this one to break compared to the cheap ones that you buy off eBay, which are considered the hard type. I mean, look at this, look at this, look at this. Look at the... I do not know how much further I can bend this. I do not know how much further I can bend this. Look. Look at this. Awesome. Awesome tempered glass. And that's it. I just wanted to quickly go over this. The whole package will be sold on our website, which includes all the alignment frames and 60 tempered glass for all iPhones ranging from iPhone 5 up to iPhone 11 Pro Max. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.